tired of being handsome? Or rather, tired of being ugly? Well, worry no more. Introducing the new Marlboro Total Effects. Its revolutionary ingredients came from the finest Jampong 3 extracts. Just supply the cream, and it will change the way you look from head to toe. Many have tried it and proved that it's effective. We now go to our first formula, the not so ugly formula, which you will try. Let's see the result. Ay, tamad daw. As you can see, there's a big difference. Now, we go on to the next formula, which is the ugly formula. This is for a man who wants to be ugly. You've seen nothing yet. We now go to the third formula, which is the very ugly formula for those who really want to be ugly.
Oh my God.
You guys really look amazed, but we're not done yet. We now go to the next formula, the Philippine hero look-alike formula. This formula will make you look like a real Filipino hero. This is my friend. Here he comes now. As you can see, he now looks like Jose Rizal. And last but not the least, the showbiz look-alike special formula. I'll try it myself for you guys to see that this product is really effective.
Okay, yan ah. Ano mayak na?
Hoy! Upuan ka yan ah! Alis dyan, bingi ka ba?
Now, what are you waiting for? Buy now.
So what are you waiting for?